Okay, you guys, today we're moving into our camp space. I'm so excited. Haven't been home in a little over a week. So let's get to the campground and clean with me. All right, made it to our new home for now. Now the real work is inside with the cleanup, and then we'll do maybe a bike ride review of the campground. Honey is doing his thing, and the dogs are ready to get out. Yes, honey. Thanks, babe, for getting me all set up and ready for success. All right, you guys. Next part, I got to get this stuff out and get the dogs in. Ouch. All right, we let the slide out. As you can see, this place looks a little untouched, but in a few minutes, it's going to be home again. Oh, yeah. Boom, double the space. As you can see, you guys, we haven't been in the house for a while, and so there was a lot of sweeping and mopping that takes place. Now we're gonna get the kitchen together. Been killing bugs and spiders and all kind of stuff. So let's finish the kitchen. Okay, you guys, I got everything looking homey again. I gotta change out my pillows. I'm getting ready to do that now. But Pepper's on there, Noodles hanging out in his bed, the living room's put together. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details. Fixing the bathroom in my room, but that's where I'm going next. And it's a lot of work, but we love it. So thank you for helping me get this done. I'm gonna finish up, and I will see you in the next adventure.